The 2.0-liter turbo engine under the hood produced 220 pound-feet, 298 Newton-meters, of torque and 197 horsepower, 147 kilowatts, at 5,500 RPM in standard configuration. In addition to hardware enhancements including a new turbo kit, forged pistons and connecting rods, a new Catcams camshaft, a new Bosch fuel pump, and enhanced radiator and fan, MANHART provides the four-pot with software refinements. A new 3.5-inch exhaust pipe with two tailpipe finishes at the back replaces the factory exhaust system. The outcome is quite stunning. 375 horsepower, 276 kilowatts, and 405 lb-ft, 550 Newton-meters, of torque are now produced by the 2.0-liter engine. With the addition of Group N components, the 5-speed manual transmission has been modified to provide the power to all four wheels. An upgraded Sachs clutch serves as the link between the gearbox and the engine. A firmer and lower suspension as well as a Manhart Evo brake kit with four-piston Brembo calipers and 380mm discs up front are further hardware modifications. On period-appropriate 17-inch OZ Racing Rallye wheels, the car is positioned. The unique roof spoiler on the exterior of the Manhart tuned Delta Integrale sets it apart from the stock vehicle visually. New seats with central parts covered in Alcantara leather, new steering wheels, and unique floor mats are also present inside the interior. That's all for this video. Thanks for watching. And be sure to subscribe to our channel to stay up to date on the latest car releases, prices, and specifications. I'll see you next time.